Guess there was already a crash on the highway. Of course there was. It's snowing. Well, day 44 right here. Got some snow falling today. Look at the size of those flakes. We just got up the top of the hill here a bit, and there's actually a decent amount of snow. There might be like 8 inches on the side of the road here. Might be pretty good up there. So we're gonna head up Boulder Mountain again today. Maybe not. But yeah, we're going out with Jaden and one of his buddies, just 3 of us. I feel like we're driving out of all the snow though. There was like 8 inches of snow on the road back like a few K, and now there's like 3. Yep, would you look at that? We drove right out of the snow and it's not even snowing anymore. It was snowing like crazy just out of town. You couldn't even see like 200 meters or 100 feet or something. I don't know. You couldn't see. It was snowing. What do you guys think? Is it going to clear up? I'll put $5 down saying that we get some sun today. Maybe 10. It definitely didn't snow here what it snowed in town, but that's all right. Well, I failed there. Jeez, I'm supposed to be the guy that videos, and these guys came down here and I just saw here. Gotta try and follow Jaden through some trees here. Uh-oh. Nope. Ah. Roost. Send her off right there.
Dropping.
Yeah. Dropping in 5, 4. I didn't know which one to record there.
Actually, didn't have momentum, that's why.
Oh, okay, okay.
I stopped right there, like,
Okay. You're in the tree, I think. Oh, we'll try that again. Well, making our way out of here now. Pretty good day. Didn't ride too hard because I can't. Still had fun though. Every day in the mountains is a good day. We'll see if the boys have anything to say about the way we dropped down through the trees. Guys down on the river with the trucks. I want to go down there. I reset my hour meter when I left Ontario. So I've done 103 hours, 44 minutes of driving time in the last 2 months. That's a lot of driving. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. I think tomorrow we might take out the spare sled. Buddy said I could use it, so it's, you know, just not that fun running mine when I can't even run it hard, I guess. But I also kind of want to keep running it just to like make the problem worse if it gets worse, so then like it's easier to track down what's wrong with it, because right now the dealer doesn't really know, I don't know, so it's kind of just in limbo. So see what happens in the morning, see how I feel, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow, day 45.